up, guys? I'm back. It's me, the Gaming Fire. Nice to meet y'all again. It's been a very long time ever since I've been recording. So I'm like, since it's been a long time, let me start all over. But you know I like playing Minecraft a lot. But watch this. I've been playing Pokemon GO. I got used to it. And look, I got like a whole bunch of Pokemon. I got 173 Pokemon. Right now I'm using a hack, so I don't really care. If you people use hacks, then okay. But you know what I mean. Hacks, whatever. I don't hack for it's going slow. Sorry about the little glitching or whatever. It always does this, so sorry. Sorry about it. Yeah, so right now I'm using a hat because I got a joystick. And this place that you see right now is not where I live, so yeah. Well, I'm level 12 already. Happy about that. So many Pokestops. So many Pokemon. Monkey! A Mankey! I would use the Great Ball, but I don't got that much, so I'll have to go to the Pokestop later. But yeah, if you play Pokemon GO and you're trying to get a joystick and you don't know how, but go on YouTube and you see some other people do it. I would do it right now, but I don't feel like it. But you gotta go to Google Chrome on your Android or whatever, iOS, something like that. But something like that. And then after that, when you go on there, you gotta type in tutuapp.com. When you're done with that, just tutuapp, done with that, download it. It might be in Chinese, but click the green button. That's only how you download it. You'll get it after you watch YouTube. Oh, come on. Come on. Magmar. Magmar, you're stronger than Charmeleon. Let's go, Magmar. Air. You kidding me? I was about to beat up that thing too. Let's do this. Please don't freeze on me. No, and you froze on me. What type of game is this? Well, I can't take on gyms anymore because this thing always trying to mess up on me. Can't take on gyms, so I don't know why, but oh, my character keep running away. But if you want to look at all the stuff I got, let's see. Let's go. I got Flareon, Jolteon, Magmar, Scyther, Pidgeot, Eevee, Scyther, Aerodactyl, Tauros, Eevee, Dracmate, Fenton, Edsky, Growlithe, Eevee, Poliwrath, Nidoran, Boy, Ponyta, Clefairy, Tentacle, Tauros, Bellsprout, Pidgeotto, Tentacle, Eevee, Nidoran, Rhyhorn, Krabby, Tauros, Lemno, Oddish, Tauros, Clefairy, Fearow, Eevee, Pidgeotto, Krabby. Coughing, Golden, Krabby, Hitmonlee, Staryu, Ghastly, Squirtle, Poliwag, Vulpix, Poliwhirl, Meow, Beldrew, Cubone, Geodude, Pearl, Onix, Nidoran, Geodude, Bulbasaur. I need to go right all the way down to Bulbasaur. I'm getting closer. Okay. Onix, Nidoran, Nidoran, Bulbasaur, Oddish, Tentacle, Eevee, Nidoran, Staryu, Squirtle, Ekans, Meow, Geodude, Clefairy, Machamp, Eevee, Sparrow, Ekans, Godin, Sparrow, Pidgey, Bulbasaur, Pinsir, Growlithe, Mankey, Rattata, Clefairy, Ekans, Tauros, Zulak, Eevee, Pidgeotto, Pidgey, Geodude, Horsey, No, Trio, I can't see the rest, but y'all see them. Right? Arbok, Magikarp, and Hunter, and all that. I even got a, wait, where's he? Abra, and Drowsy, and some more, another Abra, and all these other ones, and, I can't count it all. That's too much. You even got a Pikachu. This Pikachu was my starter Pokemon. The first Pokemon I ever got when I played this. Well, really, he wasn't my starter. I played this before. My starter was, Charmander. But I found a Charmander again. All I did was run away from the 3 starter Pokemon and just keep teleporting where I went. After that, when I ran away the 4th time I ran away, I found Pikachu and I got him. But right now, that's it for today. See ya. Hope you like my video.